These days, photography is everywhere. With the power of smartphones, anyone can take a decent photo at almost any time. But for those who are passionate about the craft of photographers, artists, and serious hobbyists, that kind of convenience isn't enough. They want something deeper. They crave control, emotion, and the tactile joy of a real camera in hand. That's where the Leica Q4 comes into play. This isn't just a mild refresh or a feature tweak. It's a meaningful leap forward. The Q4 stands out as a refined, compact powerhouse, a camera designed not just to function, but to inspire. It may just be the perfect tool for those who take their creativity seriously. Visually, the Q4 carries the timeless Leica design language. It's clean, understated, and purpose-built. There are no unnecessary markings or distractions, just a beautifully crafted object. Built from durable magnesium alloy, the body is both tough and lightweight. Wrapped in high-quality textured leather, it's not only stylish but adds to the comfort and grip during handheld shooting. Leica's reputation for precision is on full display here. Every button, dial, and switch is exactly where it should be. The layout is intuitive. You don't have to think about where to look or what to press. It feels second nature, allowing you to focus entirely on your image making. Though compact enough to slip into a coat pocket or small bag, the Q4 delivers serious performance. Inside, it rivals much larger professional systems. It offers full manual control through physical dials, making it perfect for experienced shooters, while the modern touchscreen interface provides ease of use for newer users. It's a camera that feels familiar yet fresh, approachable yet advanced. Image quality is one of the Q4's biggest strengths. With a 47.3 megapixel full-frame sensor, the level of detail is exceptional. But it's not just about how many pixels, it's about the clarity, color, and character of the image. Photos come out looking natural and vivid, with accurate tones and no artificial sharpness. They're the kind of images you want to print and hang on a wall. Powering it all is the new Maestro 4 image processor, which boosts speed and efficiency. The camera starts up instantly, responds without delay, and handles processing quickly. No lag, no waiting. It means you're always ready to catch the moment, and it gives you confidence in fast-paced situations. Low-light performance is another area where the Q4 shines. The camera's ISO capabilities make it easy to shoot in a wide range of lighting without swapping lenses or settings. Even at high ISO levels, images remain sharp and detailed. When noise appears, it feels more like classic film grain, subtle and cinematic rather than distracting. This makes the Q4 ideal for night photography, indoor shoots, or moody lighting setups. Central to the Q4 is its fixed 28mm f1.7 Summilux lens. This lens is a key part of the Q series appeal. It's sharp, fast, and versatile. The focal length is great for street, travel, and even portrait photography, and the wide aperture offers stunning depth of field and creamy background blur. Focus on your subject, and the rest fades into soft, pleasing bokeh. It performs exceptionally well close-up too, with minimal distortion and strong sharpness all the way to the edges. One of the most significant improvements is the camera's new autofocus system. Now using phase detection, autofocus is quicker and more dependable than ever. It tracks subjects with precision, even in poor lighting or when your subject is in motion. Whether you're capturing fast action or quiet candid scenes, the Q4 keeps up. For those who shoot fast-moving scenes, the upgraded burst mode is a welcome addition. It captures rapid sequences effortlessly, helping you nail that perfect frame whether it's a dancer mid-leap, a fleeting expression, or an unpredictable street moment. The speed feels more like a modern action camera while still retaining that classic Leica soul. The electronic viewfinder has also received a major update. It's now a high-resolution 5.76 million dot display that looks bright, clear, and immersive. Composing shots through the VF is a pleasure, especially in bright sunlight when screens struggle. It draws you deeper into the process of composing your image rather than just pointing and shooting. While Leica is best known for photography, the Q4 doesn't fall behind in video capabilities. It shoots clean, detailed 4K footage with excellent color accuracy. It's not a cinema rig, but for content creators, vloggers, or anyone wanting solid video in a compact body, it's a very capable option. If you're wondering whether it's worth upgrading from the Q3, the answer depends on what you need. The Q4 introduces a sharper sensor, better performance in dark settings, the more powerful Maestro 4 processor, a faster and smarter autofocus system, and a much improved viewfinder. These upgrades aren't just minor, they change the shooting experience. If you often work in challenging conditions or need more speed and responsiveness, the upgrade is definitely worth considering. But make no mistake, this isn't a camera for the masses. And that's exactly what makes it special. It's for people who care deeply about their images. Those who enjoy composing through a viewfinder, adjusting dials, and taking their time but still want something that responds instantly when it matters. Professionals will appreciate its mix of portability and performance. Enthusiasts will grow into it with pride. Street photographers and travelers will love its low profile and discreet footprint. And anyone who enjoys the craft of photography will connect with its thoughtful design. The Leica Q4 is more than a camera. It's a creative companion, one that encourages intention, slows you down in a good way, and reminds you why you fell in love with photography in the first place.